Yo, what's up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and in good spirit. Shout out to Steeda Auto Sports. As they say, speed matters, but they were able to hook me up. They sent me this Stop the Hop kit, which we're gonna put on the 2018 Mustang. Let's take a look. What we got here? All types of goodies, catalogs, coupons. All right, so I'll look through this on the throne. Got the Steeda 18 the subframe bushings, so that will stop it from breaking loose. This is gonna be awesome. And then also we have here, that is a Steeda subframe alignment kit. It's gonna also be pretty cool. Oh man. And then the 2-day drop. Oh yeah. There it is. Look at that finish there. This is the subframe support kit. Appreciate the quality. It's got a good weight to it. That is going to, it's nice to look. I won't probably see it, at daily because it's going to be on the car, but it's nice to see what it looks like. And really awesome quality parts once again. This will go on. This will definitely help us with the drag strip. Thanks again to Steeda. I will definitely, once these are on, give a full review. Also, besides that, that's a Stop the Hop kit. There's also an ultimate kit, an enthusiast kit. So we'll keep upgrading the kits. And as we put them on, I'll let you know how the car drives, how it performs on the track. You'll see those videos. Can't wait to get them on and share with you the experience. So let's go check it out. I know it's dirty, but this will be the before. What's up, brother? That does sound really good. Just to let you know, here in the Eco Beast channel, I only choose the finest shops to get my performance modifications done. All kidding aside, that's my boy. He owns his shop. He's a young, up-and-coming dude, but he does great work. So this soon won't be the way it looks, but he's done work on my other Mustang, other people's Mustangs, and I trust him. And that's the most important thing, is to find a mechanic that you trust. It's like a good butcher or doctor or YouTuber. Like it. Nice, right?
I love this.
I don't miss the stick shift at all.
Yeah.
All right, I'm doing some surgery, yeah. It's amazing, these little things are gonna really help the, we getting down and dirty, literally. Just so far, what Joe's done, he's put the lowering springs on, but what he put on from Steeda was the bushings, now we're putting on the strut brace, and I just gotta say, this stuff is really well packaged. Like, if you like packaging, this is what to get. Thanks again, Steeda. I can't wait. And he's having fun, and I'm working hard making videos. All right, fam, so I wanted to give you a everyday driving review of the Stop the Hop Kit Level 1 package. And this is just a daily driving experience, but it is amazing. I'm in the rain right now, daily driving 50, 60 miles an hour, It's smoother, it's tighter, there's no flex, there's no noise. It feels way more solid. Like, it feels really, you know, it feels like a German engineered car all of a sudden. Like, that back is just, it's like tight. Those braces have just been like, they lock it up. The bushings, it all just kind of feels like it's put together. And I feel way more comfortable and confident that as I drive this, it's just, you know how it is with mods. Sometimes you get certain mods, you're like, I don't know, I was okay. No, this you need for your Mustang S550. The Stop the Hop package with the braces, with the bushings, the rear feels planted. I'm driving in stop and go traffic, and I'm loving it, you know. Went smooth, cruising at 70 was good. Of course, it's raining. I'm going to give you, of course, when we go to the drag strip, an updated impressions about how it drives under load, what my 60-foot improved upon, because that's what these are really for. But you know me, I'm a daily driver. I wanted to make sure that this is applicable sitting in traffic like this on your way to work. Because as much as I show that I'm like, you know, having fun with the Mustang and doing this cool stuff and events, this is my reality right here behind me. Like, I'm sitting in traffic like this. I'm a 9-to-5er, and you know, that's just the reality of life. I mean, so the modifications I do, you know, are meant to be able to handle driving and doing daily routines, along with going to the track and then the occasional dig or whatever. So the point is that when you're able to put these modifications on, maintain your civility of driving a car where it's comfortable and people would not feel uncomfortable sitting in the car with you, you can still take a long trip somewhere. That's the kind of modifications that I'm looking for. Killer power, killer you know, upgrades, but livability. Like, that's important to me, because obviously I need this car to get to and from my job, and you know, I have a car seat in the back, take my daughter back and forth to the school bus, all that kind of stuff. So this Stop the Hop level 1 package, of course, is available 15 through 18s, really helps with the wheel hop, the independent rear suspension, hopping up and down. So definitely recommend it. A huge shout out to Steeda once again for supporting the channel and this build and sending this to us to install and review for you. We're going to also upgrade to the Enthusiast package and the Ultimate package, which is like vertical links and things of that nature. So stay tuned for those reviews. But for right now, the Stop the Hop package level 1, which is the braces and the bushings, really are just a must. You know, I can't believe I didn't put it on my prior Mustang, but they're a must. I'll put a link in the description of where you can get it. I'll also put a link in the description of the really good install videos. Like, let's be real, this install video was not like CJ Pony Parts or whatever, but I'll put a link in the description of some of the installs that Bill Tumas has actually done on his personal 18 Mustang, so you can look and see what it's like if you decide to get these and put them on yourself. Very easy install. You don't even need it, like, it's not that long. I would say like an hour, to be honest with you. And the main thing is to get the main thing is get the bolts lined up correctly and then torque them down to spec. But it's just cool to see those braces. And again, the braces are cool looking themselves. They're like power coated. They're like a metallic-y look. They got the Steeda insignia. So it's just cool to look. I love the way it kind of looks like your car has like this underbody like seriousness to it. You won't see it every day, but just in your mind to know that, yo, my car's got this and it's ready to plant and it's gonna squat and just go. And that mentality feels good. And on top of that, I can't wait to show you the results when we go to the track in the next 2 or 3 weeks here, depending on the weather and as this clears up. But I wanted to give you my impressions of driving it as I normally would, as I would sitting in traffic, as I would ho-humming along. But again, Stop the Hop package. Thanks again to Steeda. Check it out. Big fan. Thanks again for the support. And I can't wait to show you the results of the track, because we're going to see the difference. This car went 12.1 at 119 with a 1.9 60 foot in November. So the goal is, I'm shooting for, is to obviously break 11s with a better 60 foot with this new suspension setup, and we'll keep upgrading it, like I said, to other parts of the Steeda process. So let you know, if you would comment, like, and subscribe. If any of you have the Stop the Hop package, please leave some feedback. Let me know anything I left out or any kind of tips for anybody watching this. As you know, I appreciate all the new subscribers we've been getting lately. Please do, if you would be so kind, is to also follow me on Instagram and to just let us know you're here. All right, y'all. It never ends. Peace. Okay, need your help. Should it be like this, left side, or right side, or no?